The AT light in your Mazda indicates a potential problem with the automatic transmission system. It's a warning to prevent further damage. Illumination signals the TCM has detected an anomaly like abnormal fluid pressure or sensor data. This could lead to slippage, overheating, or complete failure if ignored. It is not an emergency, but needs prompt attention. First, check your transmission fluid level and condition using the dipstick. Mazda recommends ATFWS for most models. Low or dirty fluid is a common cause of the AT light. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to read error codes. This tool connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and reveals specific issues. Common codes include P0700 for transmission control system malfunction, P0715 for input turbine speed sensor issues, and P0755 for shift solenoid B malfunction. Depending on the issue, repairs range from sensor replacements costing $200 to $500, up to TCM reprograming or rebuilds at $3,000 to $5,000 at dealerships. Regular maintenance, including fluid flushes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, can prevent many AT light issues.